Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your YouTube channel hacked. So let's just get straight into the video. So in order to go ahead and do so, the immediate steps you need to take is firstly, open any browser that you prefer using and then head to this site right over here, which is going to be g.co/recover, just like that. Once you do that, you're going to be taken to this page. Simply try to enter your email and your password right over here, and they'll send you a verification code to the mobile number that is associated with your account. And when you enter that code back, they will let you create a new password, which will simply go ahead and get your account back. If that is not the case, then you want to simply go ahead and contact support. So just tweet to @TeamYouTube on Twitter. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.